तो एक काम करेंगे, यू सॉल्व ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस एंड वट एवर डिफिकल्टी यू हैव दैट वी विल सी इन नेक्स्ट क्लास। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग आंसर वेरीफाई कर लेंगे, दैट्स नॉट अ बिग डील बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई डोंट हैव द क्वेश्चन, आई फॉरगॉट टू टेक द स्नैपशॉट, दैट इज द बेसिक प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, बट स्टिल यू आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट देम। क्लियर गाइस? ओके ओके, तो वेक्टर लॉ ऑफ एडिशन के ऊपर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन दैट वी विल सी इन नेक्स्ट क्लास। ओके, I will tell Milind sir to provide you DPPs as soon as possible. Clear guys? I think after this class we will be able to provide you DPPs, which means questions also. Okay, okay. So everybody is okay. Utkarsha, okay. Bhargav, okay. Ishka, okay. So first let me say, yeah, only 47 students are there. In last class 58 students were present. बाकी के 10 कहाँ गए? Okay, right now I can see you guys. Bhargav, Nikita, Nita. हेलो एवरीवन, ईश्वरी, अमन, आई होप एवरीबॉडी इज देयर। चलो एक एक करके बोल रहा है, 48 हो गए यार। दैट्स द थिंग, अगर तुम लोग क्लास मिस कर दोगे मॉर्निंग की, स्पेशली स्केलर्स एंड वेक्टर्स, फिर आगे चल के बहुत प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है। इसलिए ऑलवेज ट्राई टू बी प्रेजेंट एट 10 o'clock। हाँ, कभी कभी थोड़ी सी टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टी आती है, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स पॉसिबल लाइक एग्जैक्ट 10 o'clock से आपकी क्लास शुरू करना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता। But we always try to connect it after 10 a.m. onwards. Okay. Aryan, you have a question? Okay, just feel free to ask me. Aryan, what is your problem? Okay, guys. Okay, weather is good. Okay, see here guys, because I am using a different type of mic, that's why you guys are not audible, right? So you have to write down everything in the chat box. Anji, चाहिए जी? अरे यार, कुछ तो बोलो। Aryan, I am just waiting for you. Okay. Problem in second step. Problem in second step. See here. Second step, are you talking about vector law of addition? Aryan, do you have problem in vector law of addition? Just let me know. Okay, so see here, just let's have a quick recap. ठीक है, जैसे तुम लोग for example, as you see the serials like साथ भी कभी बहुत ही है ना, ससुर भी कभी जमात था, घर भी कभी मतलब something like that, right? So वहाँ पे वो कहते हैं recap, right? So let's have a recap like that. Okay guys, चलो यहाँ पे देखो। मैंने क्या बताया था, if we have two vectors, suppose this is my vector P and this is my vector Q. Okay, it's visible to all of you guys, right? No shining अब तक। आशीष के I'm not following। अब तक आपने देखा नहीं? जब मैं तुम लोग की तरह छोटा बच्चा था ना, तब वो सीरियल आता था, सास भी कभी बहू थी, ससुर भी कभी दामाद था, घर एक सपना, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? वो घर अपने घर की आंटी लोग देखती है ना गली मोहल्ले की। ओके, अरे बहुत हिट होते, इस तरह के सीरियल बहुत हिट होते। मम्मी लोग को देखो एकदम चिपक के बैठ जाती है ग्लू की तरह, साक्षात मोक्ष की प्राप्ति होती है उन लोग को इस तरह के सीरियल देखते हुए। और गलती से इस तरह के सीरियल देखते हुए उनको डिस्टर्ब मत करना मम्मी लोग को, बेलन चला के मारेंगे फट से, फिर उन्हें नहीं याद रहता कौन बेटा कौन बेटी। राइट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एकता कपूर, राइट? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एकता कपूर, राइट? ओके, I think you guys also experience it, right? Am I right or wrong? You tell me. It happens na? When mom is seeing such type of serials, okay, especially yes, right? ठीक है, तो वही एक टाइम होता है जब मम्मी लोग भूल जाती है मेरे बेटे और बेटियां भी है। ओके, शायद it doesn't happen, it's okay, not experience, ठीक है। ये अभी का पता नहीं, अभी के टीवी सीरियल में क्या चल रहा है, हम लोग के टाइम पे तो मतलब उस टाइम की बात बता रहा हूं। ओके, इट हैपेंस, ठीक है। हम लोग मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, इन एक्सेप्शनल केसेस में भी दे एकदम सच है। हाँ शिवानी, राइट शिवानी, आई टोल्ड यू। ओके ठीक है, तो Okay, dimple no. See, few of you can experience different things, but we are talking about majority of the cases. ये ऐसा टाइम होता है जब आपके हाथ से रिमोट ले लिया जाता है और टीवी पे मम्मी लोग का कब्जा हो जाता है. Okay. Okay, it's okay, Tanish. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. If your mom doesn't like to watch this type of serials, देखना भी नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है. But still, चलो कोई बात नहीं. रामायण एंड महाभारत एवरग्रीन सीरियल्स, राइट? रामायण एंड महाभारत एवरग्रीन, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो अच्छा ठीक करते हैं सीरियल. एक काम करते हैं, सीरियल की बात खत्म करते हैं, मुद्दे के ऊपर आते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. Okay, so Aryan was asking me regarding last lecture's theoretical portion. So Aryan, see here what I am going to do. Samiksha, okay, right. We have two vectors P and Q, ठीक है. अब रूल अपना क्या था? We can start with any vector, we can start with P as well as we can start with Q, right? Suppose मैं P से शुरू करता हूँ. Step number 1, draw the first vector. That is your P vector. Now what was step number 2? जहां पे फर्स्ट वेक्टर की एंडिंग है, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट वेक्टर्स हेड you draw the second vector, but always remember the angle of orientation must be same. Okay, yes, right. So see, I'm already back. See, I'm already back to our serial, right? Okay. So see here, okay, and here only one law. अच्छा ठीक है, छोड़ बैठे दो. यहाँ पे देखो, we have a vector P. Aryan, what I told you, okay, I told you like पहले फर्स्ट वेक्टर ड्रॉ कर दो, फिर जहां पे फर्स्ट वेक्टर तुम्हारा फिनिश होता है, फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट वी ड्रॉ द सेकंड वन. बट व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? द कंडीशन इज द एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन विद द एक्स एक्सिस मस्ट रिमेन सेम. क्लियर गाइस? So see here, if this is my vector Q and suppose this particular angle is theta, so this will be my vector Q. देखो फर्स्ट जहां पे एंड हुआ वहां से सेकंड शुरू हुआ, बट हियर इफ द एंगल विद द एक्स एक्सिस इज थीटा, हियर आल्सो द एंगल वुड बी थीटा. हियर दिस वाज आवर सेकंड स्टेप. ओके, नाउ व्हाट विल बी आवर फाइनल स्टेप? वी विल कनेक्ट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट टू द एंडिंग पॉइंट. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज आवर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, दिस इज आवर एंडिंग पॉइंट. So I will connect the starting point to the ending point, and this will be our resultant vector, which I will say resultant vector R equals to P plus Q. Clear guys? Okay, just Aryan, reply me fast whether you are able to understand this or not. Okay, just let me know if you have any problem. Aryan, I am talking to you. Is it okay to you? Is it okay? Understood, right? Okay guys, so as I promised you, we will do questions based upon vector law of addition in next class. Okay, ठीक है जी. Okay, clear. ठीक है. Is there anyone who still has any problem in this section? Right now it's clear to everyone. Okay, guys. I'm looking at the chat box. So everybody is saying, okay, it's clear, it's clear, it's clear, it's clear. Okay, right. Okay. So I hope it's clear to all the students. चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है. अब यार यहाँ पे देखो, let me emphasize another part. देखो, in this method, what we are looking at, we are able to see the resultant. But what is the drawback? The drawback is we are not able to measure the length of the resultant. Like, if you ask me, suppose this angle is alpha. Clear guys? Okay. This angle is alpha. Okay, कुछ चीजें और देख लेते हैं. So, suppose if you want to find out, ओके, उसको भी लाने देते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो, बेसिक चीज क्या है कि जो रिजल्टेंट की लेंथ है, वो लेंथ अभी तक हम कैलकुलेट नहीं कर पाए हैं, राइट? मतलब फिगर में अपने को प्लीज एक्सप्लेन एक्स्ट्रा. ओके हर्षल, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट, बट राइट नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? आई डोंट हैव द लास्ट क्लास प्रॉब्लम, राइट? आई डोंट हैव द प्रॉब्लम्स आई हैव गिवन यू इन द लास्ट क्लास, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई विल डिस्कस देम इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके हर्षल, इज दैट ओके टू यू? We'll do it, but next class. In next class, sure. First, it's done, right? Harshal, कहाँ गया यार? Is not replying. Okay, Harshal, we will do it in next class. All the students who are present here, we will do the problems in next class, because right now I don't have the question. That is the basic problem. ठीक है भैया? सर वैल्यू ऑफ रिजल्टेंट, यस दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सपोज अगर कोई तुमसे पूछता है कि व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द रिजल्टेंट, सो बाय दिस मेथड वी कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट द लेंथ. क्लियर? So for that purpose, in next section we will try to find out the length of the resultant, the length of this particular resultant. So stick to the board and let's see how to find out the length of the resultant. Write down next heading, resultant of two vectors. Write down next heading, resultant of two vectors. Okay, guys. Now see here, resultant of two vectors, that's not a new thing, we already know. But what we are going to do something different here. Here we want to find out the length of the resultant. Clear guys? So see here, how to find out the length of the resultant. This was my vector P and this was my vector Q. Okay, P here. Okay. For simplicity, see here, simplicity के लिए मैं क्या मानूंगा, this particular angle was theta and this was our resultant R, and R was given as P plus. Okay, clear? Okay. This angle is alpha. Okay, and let me assume this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. In this case, what we want to find out? We want to find out the length of AB. We want to, let me repeat myself once again. In this case, what we want to find out? We want to find out the length of the resultant, that is AB. So it's okay to all of you. Length का मतलब क्या होता है? See, if I write down AB, okay guys, what does AB represent? The length of the resultant. Clear guys? अच्छा, मैं इसी को लिख सकता हूँ equals to magnitude of vector R. Clear? AB बोलो या resultant का magnitude. But the value of R is equals to P plus Q. So first and foremost thing, तुम्हें ये समझना चाहिए कि all these things are equal. First tell me, are you able to understand this? मैं AB के लेंथ की बात करूं या R के मैग्नीट्यूड की बात करूं या P plus Q के मैग्नीट्यूड की बात करूं, all these things are same. Clear guys? Okay, Kasha, it's okay, right? Good. What about rest of the guys? It's clear now. Whether I talk about AB or magnitude of vector R or magnitude of P plus Q, all these things are not different. They are exactly same. Clear? Okay. So, maximum students are able to understand this. That's a good thing. Okay, guys. तो ये देखो, ये अपना बेसिक स्टेप हो गया. First, we must understand whether I say AB or magnitude of vector R or mod of P plus Q, all these things are same. So, if you want to find out the length of this AB, so what I will do, I will draw a perpendicular like this. Okay guys, here, and let me assume this point is F. तो यार अगर अपने को AB की लेंथ निकालनी है तो what is the easiest तरीका? We can apply which theorem? Okay guys, if I want to find out the length of the AB, can you guess which theorem I am going to apply? Okay. Pythagoras, yes, right. Utkarsh, it's Pythagoras theorem. Okay, yes. Sisti, Vandita, Disha, okay, all of you are so good. Immediately you guys are able to guess it. That's good. Okay, so see here we are here to apply Pythagoras theorem. Chalo, ठीक है. Now see here in triangle, see here this A, this point B, and this point is M. So I will choose the triangle ABM. See here guys, ABM. So this comes out to be in triangle ABM. Clear? Okay, that's a good thing. All of you are able to guess it right. We are here to apply Pythagoras theorem. So see here, what is the statement? Hypotenuse, that is AB. So I will write down AB square equals to, this length is AM. So AM square plus BM square. ठीक है भाई? Okay, चलो. So first we have written what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that is AB square, equals to AM square plus BM square. Clear guys? Okay. But see here, if you look carefully, what is the length of AM? It's equals to AC plus CM. Which means AM को हम further break कर सकते हैं in AC plus CM. Clear guys? So what I am going to do, I am going to substitute the value of AM. So I will write down AC plus cm whole square plus bm square. Clear guys? Okay. अब देखो सिंप्लिसिटी के लिए let us assume the length of this vector p is small p. Okay. And the length of this vector q is small p. Now try to understand. ठीक है. Here यहां पे मैंने p के ऊपर वेक्टर का साइन लगाया और यहां पे मैंने p के ऊपर देखो वेक्टर का साइन नहीं है. तो अगर वेक्टर का साइन नहीं होगा तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इट विल रिप्रेजेंट मैग्नीट्यूड. क्लियर गाइस? अगर मैं कोई सिंबल लिखता हूं और उसके ऊपर वेक्टर का साइन नहीं है, इट विल ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट मैग्नीट्यूड. जस्ट लाइक आई कैन राइट इट डाउन लाइक दिस. I can write it down like this. See here. R के ऊपर वेक्टर का साइन नहीं है. So that's why it's simply representing magnitude. See here AB, no vector sign. So it will represent magnitude. R, vector sign is there. That's why I have to apply mod function. P plus Q, vector sign is there. So that's why I have to apply mod function. So always remember, अगर arrow नहीं होगा, then it will simply represent a vector. Clear guys? Understood? Okay. तो यहाँ पे देखो, what I'm doing, मैंने AM को डिवाइड किया. AM is equals to AC plus C. Clear guys? So what is the length of AC? AC length is equals to P plus CM whole square plus BM. Clear? Okay. So we have substituted it P plus CM plus BM square. I hope up to here everything is clear. Now what we are supposed to do, somehow we will calculate CM and BM. Clear guys? CM length and BM length, they are unknown. So somehow what we have to do, we have to calculate the length of CM as well as BM. Okay? Okay, Utkarsh, yes, you are saying something, just let me know. No. Okay. ठीक है, it's okay. चलो ठीक है, फिर let's see further, no problem at all. How to calculate CM length and how to calculate BM length? Suppose, let me ask you guys a simple question. How to calculate CM and BM? Can anyone answer what I am supposed to do? Okay, Chaitanya is saying something. Aman is also typing. Components like what? Trigonometry. Okay, like what? So see, in trigonometry, what we are supposed to do? Chaitanya is also saying trigonometry. Okay, just a minute. See here, sin theta. Okay, Bhargav, I think that's right. Sin theta. We will use either sin theta or cos theta. Okay, right. That is the appropriate answer, sir. We can apply Pythagoras in triangle BMC. Okay, in triangle BMC, first thing, it's right that you are supposed to choose triangle BMC, but Pythagoras theorem लगाने का यार कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. See here, क्योंकि इस triangle BMC में only this length BC is known, CM is unknown, BM is unknown. Okay, Suyash? जो in triangle BMC, two lengths are unknown. That's why even if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you will not be able to find out the value of unknown variables. Those are CM as well as BM. Clear? So in the nutshell, find the sides by hypotenuse. So in the nutshell, we have to go for either sin theta or cos theta. Clear guys? So see here, let me see. Suppose let me choose cos theta. If I take cos theta, see here what will happen. Where I am choosing cos theta, just look carefully in this triangle BCM. So I will write down in triangle BCM. If I write down cos theta, it comes out to be CM whole divided by BC. Okay guys, see here it's becoming clear. What is the length of BC? See here, CM is unknown, which we are supposed to find out. But if you look carefully, this length BC is known here. So what I will write down, cos theta equals to CM, that is unknown, whose value we are supposed to calculate, divided by BC. BC comes out to be Q. So from here we got one unknown, that is CM. CM is equals to Q times cos theta. Clear guys? Okay. See here, Q is unknown, theta is known. So we have calculated the value of CM. and the value of Cm comes out to be q times cos theta. Clear? अच्छा, उसी तरीके से suppose if I want to find out Bm, okay, what I am supposed to do? Simply sin theta. So let's do it. If I take sin theta, see here in this triangle, sin theta will be equals to Bm whole divided by Bc. Okay, which I can write down Bm, that is unknown. Okay, it's going outside, out the way. So I will write down sin theta equals to Bm. What is the length of BC? That is equals to Q. So from here, Bm equals to Q times sin theta. Okay guys, copy up to here. Because in the next step I have to run this one. Copy up to here. अब इसका आगे बहुत सिंपल है. Simply we will substitute the values of Cm and Bm in this particular expression. Okay, done. That's good. That's good. Karsha has done it. Okay, I hope everybody has copied it. Right, guys? Done. Okay, good. Very good. लिखते जाओ फटाफट. That's nice. यार फोल्ड कर दिया. Okay, copy up to here. And see if you have any problem, just let me know. Okay, chalo. Done. Okay, so everybody is done with it. So now see here what I am doing. Okay. तो यहाँ तक तुम लोगों ने कर लिया है. So let me write down one more line. I will write it down. P plus Cm. What is the value of Cm? Cm comes out to be Q cos theta. E plus Q cos theta whole square plus Bm. What is the value of Bm? That comes out to be Q sin theta. I will write down whole square. Okay. So I am going to rub this one. Okay. चलो अब आगे देखते हैं. Okay. Okay. We will write down AB square equals to, this will be P plus Q cos theta whole square plus, see here, this will be Q square sin square theta. Okay, now what we will do? Not visible. Okay, no problem. See here, I am just writing down this step. Okay, same step. Whatever step I have written in, whatever step I have written over here, the same step is here. Clear? Okay, भार्गव मैंने कुछ अलग नहीं लिखा है. जो स्टेप मैंने नीचे लिखा है वही स्टेप मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है. Okay, same step मैंने रिपीट कर दिया. Okay, Aman, right. Your answer is right. P square plus Q square plus 2P2 cos theta. We are about to have the same expression. Okay, guys. So see here, let's just let me do the derivation. So what I can say, see here, AB square. Do the whole square. P square plus Q square cos square theta plus twice PQ cos theta and last term plus Q square sin स्क्वायर थीटा. अब यहाँ पे देखो, इन दोनों टर्म में हमें क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? Q स्क्वायर इज कॉमन. सो आई कैन राइट डाउन P स्क्वायर प्लस Q स्क्वायर इन ब्रैकेट sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस, ओके, प्लस twice PQ cos theta. Clear, guys? And all of us know that the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta comes out to be 1. Clear? So that's why I will write down AB square. This value comes out to be 1 is equals to P square plus Q square plus twice PQ cos theta. But remember what we are supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out the length of the vector AB. Clear, guys? So that's why I will calculate. Okay, Aman, are you trying to say something? Yes, your expression is right. Aman, whatever you got, Aman, that is right. Absolutely, no doubt at all. Okay, Aman. Sir, what will be the theta if we join the head of Q to the tail of P? Head of Q to the tail of P. Okay, theta is the angle between vector P and vector Q. Alpha is the angle of the resultant with the x-axis. I hope I made it clear. Remember, theta is the angle between the vectors P and Q, and alpha is the angle of the resultant. Clear, Aman? Okay, so we can proceed forward. See here. From here, I can write down AB is equals to under root and always P square plus Q square plus twice PQ cos theta. And remember, guys, this is our standard result. Always remember that you are not supposed to mug up all these things. Clear, guys? ये जो डेरिवेशन है, इस डेरिवेशन को केवल और केवल तुम्हें अंडरस्टैंड करना है. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू मग इट अप. क्लियर? और कौन सी चीज याद रखनी है? ये फाइनल रिजल्ट तुम्हें याद रखना है. क्लियर? सो सी हियर, द लेंथ ऑफ द रिजल्टेंट कम्स आउट टू बी p square plus q square plus twice pq cos theta. Sir, what the theta is the angle between q and x axis? No. You can say, okay, yes, okay, Bhargav, see here, I will clear your doubt. Just let me finish with this. ठीक है? What is the angle between two vectors? Coincidentally, theta, you are right. Bhargav, let me tell you, you are right. Absolutely right. Theta is the angle between q and x axis, right? But theta is also the angle between vector p as well as vector q. So both the statements are right. Clear? Okay, and how is that possible? I will let you know. Just have a little bit patience, and after this I will tell you like how to find out the angle between the vectors. Okay? Bhargav, you are right. Absolutely, no doubt at all. Okay. So see here, हम लोग ने यहाँ रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर की लेंथ तो निकाल ली. That comes out to be p square plus q square plus 2p2 cos theta. But remember, AP is equals to magnitude of vector r or magnitude of vector p plus vector q. So in standard term, I can write down r equals to AB equals to mod of vector r equals to mod of vector p plus vector q, and this will be equals to under root p square plus q square plus twice pq cos theta. Okay guys, copy up to here. And remember, whenever they will ask the questions, okay, they can say calculate R, or they can say calculate AB, or they can say calculate mod R, or they can say calculate mod of P plus Q. हमेशा ध्यान रखना ये सारी चीजें एक ही हैं. ठीक है? उनका रिप्रेजेंटेशन अलग अलग हो सकता है in particular numericals, but all these things are equals to under root P square plus Q square plus twice PQ cos theta. Okay, just copy up to here and let me know when you are done. Okay, sister done. Good. Very good. So almost everybody is done with this. So let's proceed further. थोड़े से theoretical point of view और करते हैं. Okay. See here. Now, okay, it's done to everyone. Good. Sir, can you explain about r theta? Okay, r theta. Aryan, I'm not able to understand what are you at. Theta, yes, I will tell you. देखो क्या होता है basically. Suppose if what we are saying. Suppose we have two vectors. This is my vector P and this is my vector Q. This is first equation. It's also possible that vector P is something like this and vector Q is something like this. Okay. Suppose first vector P is like this and second vector Q is like this. Okay. And in these cases, we want to find out what is the angle between the vector. Okay, see that theta. Okay, this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Okay, we have three different cases. Like, how are the cases? If you look carefully in the first one, यहाँ पे देखो जो P का हेड है और Q का जो टेल है, दोनों एक साथ कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं. क्लियर? यहाँ पे अगर देखो, if you look here, वेक्टर P एज वेल एज वेक्टर Q दोनों की जो पर्टिकुलर टेल है वो यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हो रही है, मतलब दोनों टेल से शुरू हो रहे हैं. बट इफ यू सी इन द थर्ड केस, यहाँ पर वेक्टर P का व्हाट टू बी है हेड और वेक्टर Q का क्या है टेल है. क्लियर? And always remember the angle between two vectors is the angle between their tails. क्या बताया मैंने? दो वेक्टर के बीच का एंगल अगर हमें निकालना है तो हमेशा उनकी टेल्स के बीच का जो एंगल होगा दैट विल बी द एंगल बिटवीन द वेक्टर्स. रूल इज क्लियर? सो नाउ सी. ओके, यहां पर देखो व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. यहां पर फर्स्ट इसका हेड है और इसका टेल है. So can you say the angle between vector P and vector Q is theta? Okay, just let me know. We have first one's head and second one's tail. Is the angle between P and Q in this case is theta? 60? No. Okay. Say you guys got it right. You guys got it right. That's why you are telling me no. Okay. See here. Let's be a little bit clear. Okay. हमेशा ध्यान रखना दो वेक्टर्स के बीच का जो एंगल होगा वो हमेशा उनकी टेल के बीच का एंगल होगा. बट व्हाट विल हैपन इफ वी हैव वन वेक्टर्स हेड एंड अनदर वेक्टर्स टेल? इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू, हमेशा ध्यान रखो अगर एक का हेड है और दूसरे का टेल है तो उस केस में जिसका हेड होता है, लेट मी रिपीट, जिसका भी हेड होगा उस हेड को हम क्या करते हैं? एक्सटेंड. क्लियर गाइस? Suppose we have angle between a head as well as tail. What we are supposed to do? Simply जो head है उसको हम extend कर देंगे. Clear? So as you can see, let's talk about the first case. ये vector P है, यहाँ पे head है, इसके head को तुम extend कर दो. Vector P को हमने extend कर दिया. Okay. Now what can you see? You can see that the angle between vector P and Q is theta. Clear? So the angle, you will simply say the angle between P and Q equals to theta. Case 1. Let's talk about case 1. Okay. Clear guys? Whenever there is an angle between the head of the vector and tail of the vector, what we are supposed to do? Simply जो head है तुम्हारा उसको extend कर दो. Right? मुश्फिक? Yes, yes. ठीक है सर. We can also just do 180 minus theta. In which case? In first case, मुश्फिक, are you talking about the first one? No, first one you can't do it like 180 minus theta. ठीक है? You can't do 180 minus theta क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो बेसिकली था क्या, इस तरीके से तुम्हारा the situation was something like this. This angle is theta. Suppose तो अगर ये angle theta नहीं दिया गया है, suppose this angle is theta. So in this particular case, when you extend the two vectors, the angle between two vectors in this case is 180 minus theta. So if the situation is like this, then this one will be right. But ऐसी situation थी नहीं, so हम 180 minus theta नहीं ले सकते. Okay, मुश्फिक, are you clear right now? Just let me know so that I can proceed to the next one. Actually, this was vector P and this was vector Q and this was the angle theta. Clear guys? Okay, Mushfiq, yes. Okay guys, just tell me, just tell me, what is the angle between P and Q in the second case? Is it equal to theta, yes or no? Okay, Srishti, yes, absolutely right. Srishti, Disha, Utkarsha, Aman. Okay, yes. All of you got it. That's a good thing. Okay, that's nice. Very good. सबको समझ में आ रहा है. That's quite amazing. ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखो angle, I will say angle between P and Q equals to theta. Yes. Okay. See here, if you are able to understand the first one as well as the second one, just answer me the third case. Answer me the third one. Here guys, what will be the angle between the vectors P and Q in the third case? Okay, so they is saying something. Okay, yes. Okay guys, I am waiting for you. Just let me know what should be the solution of the third one. Yes, good. 180 minus theta. Yes, Disha, that is absolutely right. Very good. 180 minus theta, right. Disha is okay. Bhargav 180 minus theta. Okay, guys, that's it. You are able to understand this. See here, what is going on? ये अपना वेक्टर P हो गया, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे अपना इस तरीके से एरो लगा है. As you can see, वेक्टर P का यहाँ पे क्या है? हेड है, और वेक्टर Q का क्या है? यहाँ पे टेल है. Am I right? इसका right, sure. All of you are right. That's a good thing. So what I told you, जिसका भी हेड होगा, उस हेड को हमें एक्सटेंड करना है, right? तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया? P को हमने एक्सटेंड कर दिया, something like this. Okay. And this particular angle that is equals to 180 minus theta, this will be the angle between the two vectors P as well as Q. So what we will say? We will say angle between vector P and Q equals to, that is 180 minus theta. Yeah, guys? In this case, the angle between the two vectors is 180 minus theta. That's good. Okay, copy all these things. Just let me know when you are done with this. Okay. ध्यान रखो अभी इसमें काफी सारी चीजें बची हुई हैं which we are supposed to analyze. ये तो दो वेक्टर्स के बीच का जो एंगल था उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया. That's why हम इसको यहाँ पे लेकर के आए. But remember, we are not done with resultant of two vectors. Okay, completed. That's good. Very good. Thumbs up. Done. Okay, good. ठीक है. Okay. Just let me know if anyone is there any student who is still copying, because I have to rub this one. Okay. Rukraj, are you copying this? Okay, just do it. Okay, Rukraj, I am waiting for your confirmation, because after this I will move to the next section. Okay, Utkarsha, it's done. That's great. Done. Disha, Utkarsha, Disha. Okay, done. Ishwari. Okay, Ishwari, I will wait. No problem at all. Just let me know when you are done with this, Ishwari. Okay. Right. Okay, Rituraj. Sir, one case. Okay. Aryan, what are you trying to say? First case. In first case, okay, Aryan, see here. You have doubt about the first case. Okay, first case, see here, this was my vector P and this was my vector Q. Okay? And this particular angle is given as theta. So what was the rule? If you have the angle which is forming between the head of P and the tail of Q. So in that particular case, what we do is simply extend the head. ठीक है? जिस भी वेक्टर का हेड होगा उसके हेड को हमें एक्सटेंड कर देना है. तो यहाँ पे देखो ये वेक्टर P का हेड है, तो मैं इसको क्या कर रहा हूँ? एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूँ. Now this is our vector P, and as you can see, the angle between the vector P as well as Q is theta. Okay, are you okay right now? Is this clear to you? Sir, if both vectors has a head. Okay, Bhargav, that's a nice observation. See, if both the vectors, अगर दोनों वेक्टर के वहाँ पे हेड है, तो in that particular case, actually कोई changes तुम्हारे ऑप्ट नहीं होते. See here, we will have the same angle, right? Suppose if you have an angle which is formed between two heads, so simply we will extend both the heads, right? So as you can see, this is my vector P. See here, this is my vector P. And this one is my vector Q, and suppose this angle is theta. Okay, you are talking about this situation, right? Okay, you are talking about this situation. Okay, Bhargav, I am talking to you, Bhargav. But how head can be joined? Okay, just a minute. How head can be joined? Like this. Okay, no, see here, it's possible. Aman, just a minute. Okay, I got your confusion. Aman, actually you are talking about vector law of addition. It's not necessary that all the times vectors are added. Clear? It's not necessary. Like, I am not doing vector law of addition over here. I am simply representing these two vectors like this. Okay? We are not doing vector law of addition over here. Okay, Bhargav, that's clear to you. Okay. Okay, Aman, are you okay? Okay, right. Yeah. Okay, ठीक है. So, see here guys, what we will do in this case, suppose if we have two heads, तो हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों की हेड को एक्सटेंड कर देंगे. क्लियर? सी हियर, दिस इज वेक्टर q, एक्सटेंड दिस, एंड दिस इज वेक्टर p, एक्सटेंड दिस. This is my vector p and this is my vector q. So you can see still the angle between the vectors is theta. Clear? Okay, Aryan. Siddhi, I think it's clear to you. That's good. What I told you, अगर दो vectors के head आपस में connect हो रहे हैं, VDA, VOA. Siddhi, what is that? VOA. Okay, I'm not able to follow you. Sister, what do you mean by VOA? Oh, what a short form! What a short form! Good. Vertically opposite angles, right? Okay, ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. भाई साहब मुझे नहीं पता था कि क्या क्षमा करें. यहाँ पे देखें. Okay, so see here. This is the arrow. This is the arrow. So what I told you, simply extend the heads, and this particular angle will be theta. Vertically opposite angle. ठीक है भैया. Okay, so right now it's clear to everyone. So you guys just let me know whether it's clear or not. Okay, so see here what we have done. Right now we are able to understand like how to find out the angle between the vectors. Clear guys? Okay. So everybody is done with it. Is there any student who is still copying? Just let me know, because right now I am going to rub this. Okay, I think that's clear to everyone, because sir, you are not visible. How is that possible? Right? Shuyash, okay, what about the rest of the guys? Am I visible or not? Okay, I can see myself. I am not an invisible man. Okay, ठीक है. एक मूवी आई थी तुम लोग के हॉलीवुड में. I don't remember the name, but उसमें वो invisible हो जाता है. I will appreciate if I had such capabilities. Okay, but no problem. Okay, visible. Okay, master students are telling me, okay, I am visible, right? Okay, it's clear to everyone. Okay, so I think who had the problem regarding visibility? Okay, your problem is resolved or not? Vertically opposite, सिस्टम के द्वारा एकदम नई बात बताई मुझे. Okay, vertically opposite I know, लेकिन वो short form के बारे में आइडिया नहीं था मुझे. Sir, you are okay. Yes, right now. इंडिया में भी आ रही है कौन सी मूवी? Which one? Which movie? Invisible. Okay, it was. I saw it like 7 to 8 years ago, but I don't remember the name. That is the basic problem. Okay, fine. Okay, Shuyash. Okay, I think. Right now you can see me. Just let me know whether it's still, sir, in Anthropology it was also used. See, I passed high school standard long time ago. And I'm not a CBSE student, basically I belong to state board. Yeah? Okay. ठीक है, no problem. Hey, you guys are advanced. ना तुम नई जनरेशन के हो, ठीक है? You guys are fast, right? Smart, quick. हमेशा young generation is always advanced. I passed my high school standard in 2001, and you are in 2020. So obviously difference will be there. Okay, guys. So see here. Let me rub this. चलो ठीक है. Okay. Okay, so let's come back to the same thing. What we are talking about? We are talking about the resultant of two vectors. Here, guys. Okay. See here. Okay. Good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Nobody is typing something, so I am supposed to write down. Okay. See here, guys. What was the resultant? The formula of resultant was given as R equals to. If I write it down like this. Equals to mod of a plus b equals to under root. Okay, we have taken it p plus q. So let me make something there. So I will write down p square plus q square plus twice pq cos theta, and this will be the formula of the resultant of two vectors. Clear, guys? Okay. चलो okay, यहाँ पे clear. Now see a few cases. Suppose case 1. अब इसको ध्यान से देखना. What we want to find out? We want to find out the maximum value of the resultant. Okay, see here. What we are observing, we have resultant. Clear, guys? And the resultant depends upon P and Q such that R equals to under root P square plus Q square plus 2P2 cos theta. Now, अब एक बात बताओ. Once you have drawn the vectors P and Q, क्या कह रहा हूं मैं? एक बार अगर तुमने वेक्टर P और Q ड्रॉ कर दिया, ओके, कैन यू चेंज इट्स लेंथ? आंसर इज नो. जैसे ही एक बार तुमने वेक्टर डिफाइन कर दिया, आफ्टर दैट यू कांट चेंज द लेंथ ऑफ द वेक्टर. क्लियर गाइस? बट सी हियर, which means P and Q are fixed. You can't change the length of P and Q. Okay, theta, yes, theta maximum. That's right. Okay, Bhaskar, that's right. Okay. But suppose if you want to find out the maximum value of this R, so what we can do, we can change this theta, right guys? कैसा होगा? ये कुछ इस तरीके से होगा. Suppose I have two vectors like this. This is my vector P and this is my vector Q. And if I rotate it like this, so you can see the length of the vectors are not changing, but the angle between the vectors is changing continuously, which means theta is the variable. And suppose if I want to find out the maximum value of the resultant, भाई R की वैल्यू मैक्सिमम कब होगी? P और Q को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, but we can change cos theta. And when cos theta is maximum, the value of the resultant of the two vectors will also be maximum. See here guys. So cos theta, what is the maximum value of cos theta? 1. Always remember, irrespective of the angle, angle can be anything, but the maximum value, what is the maximum value of cos theta? That comes out to be 1. Clear guys? Okay, Ashish. Okay, Ashish. Yes, yes, yes. Just do it fast because explain again, sir. Ashish, just let me know whether you have completed our basic mathematics or not, because it is first time I am looking at you. Bhargav, not visible. What is not visible? Okay, right now are you okay? Can you look at me? Am I visible? Okay, Ashish, done. Okay, Ashish, you are present in basic mathematics. Just let me know. See here, the maximum value of cos theta is 1, and this maximum value occurs at theta equals to 0 because cos 0 comes out to be 1. Clear, guys? Okay, Bhargav, your problem is resolved or not? Just let me know. Sure, sure. I will go through this. Just okay. Bhargav has a little bit. Okay, visible. ठीक है. So Bhargav, look at the board. I'm proceeding with this section. अगर what I told you कि अगर मुझे R की maximum value चाहिए, तो ये कब possible है? जब P maximum हो या Q maximum हो या cos theta maximum हो. Now, what was my second statement? जैसे तुमने एक बार वेक्टर ड्रॉ कर दिया, the magnitude of P as well as Q, इन दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड तुम्हारा फिक्स हो गया. और एक बार तुमने P और Q को फिक्स कर दिया, तो हम P और Q को चेंज नहीं कर सकते. So, after this, which types of changes we can perform? हम P और Q के बीच का जो ये एंगल है थीटा, उसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. Now, अगर R की वैल्यू मैक्सिमम होनी है, तो cos थीटा शुड बी मैक्सिमम, और cos थीटा की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी होती है? +1. कितने एंगल पे होती है? यस, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू P + Q, राइट, गुड. और cos थीटा की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 1 कितने एंगल पे होती है? 0 डिग्री. ओके, सो सी हियर, इफ cos थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1, रिजल्टेंट विल बी मैक्सिमम. एंड सी हाउ टू कैलकुलेट R max. आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट cos थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1. ये कब होता है? व्हेन थीटा इक्वल्स टू 0 डिग्री. ओके, व्हाट आई विल राइट डाउन? P square plus Q square plus twice PQ, because we have substituted cos theta equals to 1. Okay, Bhargav, you are also right, P plus Q. So you can see R max, what I can write down, under root, I will write down P plus Q whole square, that is equals to P plus Q. So see here, we have a simply explain. Okay, Tanish, okay, just a minute, just hang on for a second. See here, what I am telling you guys, if you have two vectors, then what will be the maximum value of the resultant? The maximum value of the resultant will be equals to, and remember this is our standard formula, the maximum value of the resultant will be equals to R max equals to P plus Q. Clear guys? Okay, Tanish, see here, I am going to repeat this for you. मैंने ये कहा कि हमें इस रिजल्टेंट की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. So how to find out the maximum value? We can find out the maximum value when cos theta becomes maximum. Now the next question is, when is cos theta maximum? Cos theta is maximum when theta equals to 0 and its maximum value is 1. So what we have substituted? We have substituted cos theta equals to 1, theta equals to 0. So once we substitute cos theta equals to 1, our standard formula comes out to be 3 plus 2. Sir, but the rule is to join head to head. Okay, Mushfiq, right? Our tail to tail and we are doing so, we'll get the same value theta, so how can we change? Okay, Mushfiq, see here, first of all, the rule is, just a minute. Sir, I missed today's lecture, how to get it. No problem, Kedasi, here we have video recording, so you just get in touch with Praful sir or Milind sir. Clear, Kedar? Just talk to Milind sir or Praful sir regarding any difficulty. Okay, they will provide you the video lectures also because everything is being recorded. Okay, let me talk with Mushfiq sir. But the rule is to join head to head or tail to tail. नहीं, ऐसा कोई मैंने rule नहीं बताया है. I never said that you are supposed to join two vectors head to head or tail to tail. Mushfiq, just be clear with your doubt. Okay, Shushti, क्या बात है भाई? R minimum B minus Q. That is right. Okay, sister, how did you get it? Like, you have substituted cos theta's minimum value. What did you substitute minimum value of cos theta? Okay, till then, Mushfiq, just let me know because I am not able to follow you. See here, guys, I never ever said that you are supposed to join two vectors head to head or tail to tail. Okay, sister, that's right. -1. Oh, Aman, 90 would be wrong. See, because cos 90 is 0 or cos 90 equals to 0, 0 is not the minimum value of cos theta. Cos theta even goes lower and the minimum value is -1. Okay, Bhargav, yes, you are right. Cos 270 ACT, yes. 270 minus 0 or 270 plus 0. We will take theta equals to 180 degree. Yes, Aman, that's right. That's right. Cos theta's minimum value is -1 और ये -1 कितने एंगल पे ऑफर होता है? That is 180 degrees, right? Okay, see here, that's the advantage if you guys have attended our basic mathematics. Okay, 60 right. Cos 180 equals to -1. Okay, where is Mushfiq? Mushfiq, are you able to follow me? I will ask later when I will be audible to you. Sure, Mushfiq, see here, because today I am not using that type of mic. तो अगर हम इस क्लास में नहीं कर पाते, डेफिनेटली वी विल डू इट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, आ रहे ओके, और जस्ट लेट मी नो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. सर, हाउ डू यू नो द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ cos? Okay, I will see here, all of us know maximum and minimum value of cos. Okay, you don't know because you have missed basic mathematics. Aryan, that's not your fault because you have missed your basic mathematics section. That's why you may find it a little bit difficult, right? So, right now you just assume it or you just remember like maximum value of cos theta equals to +1 and minimum value of cos theta equals to -1. Okay? Once you will do your basic mathematics portion, this will become clear to you. Right? Okay, just don't bother about like ये कैसे होता है, +1 कैसे हो रहा है, -1 कैसे हो रहा है. That's not our point. Our main point is to just remember these results. Okay, Harshal is saying something. Harshal, after a long time, sir, why we had taken cos theta equals to 1? Because Harshal, see, we want to find out the maximum value of resultant. ठीक है? अब ये रिजल्टेंट मैक्सिमम कब होगा? व्हेन cos थीटा विल बी मैक्सिमम. हर्षल, जस्ट आंसर मी, आर यू एबल टू फॉलो मी? अगर cos थीटा मैक्सिमम होगा तो रिजल्टेंट की वैल्यू भी मैक्सिमम होगी. ओके, यस भार्गव, यू आर राइट. आर मिनिमम इज P minus Q. दैट्स गुड. एक्चुअली सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर हु गेस्ड इट ऑल राइट. ओके, दे गेस्ड इट राइट लाइक cos थीटा शुड बी -1. ओके, हर्षल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट यू. आर यू एबल टू फॉलो मी? जस्ट लेट मी नो so that I can proceed forward. Okay, Aman, yes, right, Aman, absolutely right. That's good. Next observation, P minus Q. Okay, that's amazing. So many guys are able to find it out. Although I never asked him like what will be R minimum, but they are able to somehow find it out. Sir, we did not guess it, we saw it. Obviously, I told you guys are smart. Okay. See here, there is a little bit difference between guessing and solving, right? Your guess is right, then it's solution. Your guess is wrong, then it's like this, yeah, khayali bulao, something like that. Okay. Yes, it's new generation, always smart. And why you have taken cos only and not the other trigonometric ratio? Okay, see here, I have taken cos because I have only cos here. Okay, Bhargav is looking so happy. What happened? Okay, Sisti, I'm not able to follow that boxes because I'm not that much. Bhargav, okay, looking happy. That's it. Okay, Sisti, what is the meaning of those boxes? I'm not able to follow. It means happiness. Okay, ठीक है, जो भी है, new generation. Okay, right, that's right, Bhargav, new generation. I should not think about it. That's right. Okay, ठीक है, okay, it was just an emoji. Okay, see you guys, because generally मैं ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी वगैरह यूज नहीं करता. ठीक है, okay. I'm not generally I don't use any social platform. मुझे इमोजी वगैरह के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ आइडिया है नहीं. I don't use Facebook, I don't use Insta, I don't use this book, that book. I only use WhatsApp, that's all. और वो भी मजबूरी में करना पड़ता है, नहीं मैं उसको भी अनइंस्टॉल कर देता हूँ. Sir, if we had taken sin theta then, okay, Harshal, see here, let me tell you once again, sin theta नहीं ले सकते. आप वही चीज चूज कर सकते हो जो आपके पास है. सिंपली इस तरीके से समझो, सपोज अगर आपके घर में कुछ गेस्ट आए हैं, ठीक है, और सपोज करें आपके घर में पोहे बनाने का इक्विपमेंट है, तो आप उसको रसगुल्ला खिला सकते हैं क्या? हर्षल, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू. सपोज इफ देयर आर फ्यू गेस्ट्स व्हिच केम टू योर हाउस, ठीक है, एंड आपके घर में पोहे बनाने की सामग्री है, ठीक है, कैन यू फीड देम रसगुल्ला? हर्षल, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू. Okay, I will back to the serial. Just wait for a second because this ये जो डाउट है साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा के बहुत सारे लोग को हो रहा है. तो इन द सेम वे, ठीक है, सारे भाई बंधु लोग बोर्ड की तरफ ध्यान से देखें. जो हमारा एक्सप्रेशन है उसमें केवल कॉस थीटा है भैया, इसमें कहीं साइन थीटा नहीं है. तो जब साइन थीटा है ही नहीं तो मैं उसको एज्यूम कैसे कर सकता हूं? सर, वाज अ बैच बिफोर होल्ड? Okay, was a batch hold before this batch? No, actually about batches I don't have any idea actually. But one thing I know कि this is the first batch. That's all. बाकी बैचेस वगैरह क्या है उसके बारे में मुझे ज्यादा आइडिया नहीं है सुरेश. ठीक है. Okay, it's clear to you. That is all from my side. If it is clear to you, that's all from my side, because my only purpose is that all the students must be able to understand each and everything whatever is going on in the classes. Okay, Chaitanya, okay, that's $1 million question. Chaitanya, sir, when R max and R min? तो चैतन्य बेटा, जब वो पूछेंगे R max तो R max निकाल लेना. अगर वो पूछेंगे R min तो R min निकाल लेना. अगर वो कुछ नहीं पूछते हैं तो कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, ठीक है, right. Okay, so it's clear to all of you. Is there any student who still has any problem? Just let me know, because I just want to rub this. काफी देर से हमारा इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन हो रहा है. Okay, so we can rub this. And not okay, that's good. Okay, so we can rub this. Is there very please teach R. Okay, R. Sure. Okay, see here, how to calculate R min in the same way. अच्छा, एक चीज और ध्यान देना कि अगर if we have R max के लिए तुमने क्या देखा? थीटा इक्वल्स टू 0. Now theta equals to 0. What does it mean? It simply means that angle between vectors P and Q is 0 degree. And you already know if the angle between two vectors is 0 degree, what do we call them? We call them parallel vectors. Clear guys? So, resultant will be maximum when the vectors will be parallel to each other. Write down, ठीक है? इसको लिख लेना अपने नोटबुक की कॉपी में. Resultant will be maximum when the vectors will be parallel to each other. Clear guys? Just write it down in your notebook. Resultant will be maximum when both the vectors are parallel to each other. Okay, ठीक है. चलो अब let's see Aryan. Okay, Aryan, you are saying something? Just let me know. Aryan and Ayan is also typing. So many of you are good. Okay, just hold on for a second. Let me know. Okay guys, just do it fast because we have to calculate R mean also. Okay sir, I did not understood max mean because I was outdoor for 2 days. Okay, and that's not a problem. Just do one thing. मैंने क्या कहा? Contact Milind sir and Praful sir and see the previous 2 lectures. Clear? Just see the videos of last 2 lectures and analyze the videos. If you have any problem, just let me know. Okay? आपको लास्ट के 2 लेक्चर बेटा देखने पड़ेंगे, उसके बाद ही कुछ समझ में आएगा. अगर आपने 1 या 2 क्लासेस मिस की हैं तो ये आपको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. क्लियर? ओके एंड आई होप सच्ची. ओके सर, थैंक यू. गुड. ओके सच्ची, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग एक्चुअली? When? Okay, let's see that Sasti resultant will be minimum. See, because R max में काफी लोग को प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, तो अब R min हम लोग देख लेते हैं. See here, case 2. Okay, case 2. What does it mean? We are supposed to find out the minimum value, and obviously, देखो, once again we can't change the magnitude anti-parallel. That's right. Aman, you are absolutely right. There must be anti-parallel. Okay, right. Anti-parallel. Bhagava, it's right. They must be anti-parallel to each other. Okay, right. So see here, cos theta. अगर R की वैल्यू मिनिमम होनी है, तो obviously we can't change the value of P as well as Q. P का मैग्नीट्यूड चेंज नहीं कर सकते, Q का मैग्नीट्यूड चेंज नहीं कर सकते. So that's why फिर से cos theta की वैल्यू मिनिमम होनी चाहिए, और R मिनिमम के लिए cos theta should be -1, which simply implicates that theta should be equals to 180 degree. And we already know if the angle between two vectors is 180 degree, what do we call them? We call them anti-parallel vectors. Means in this case, this will be our vector P and this will be our vector Q. See here, they are anti-parallel. See here, how to calculate R min equals to under root. I will write down P square plus Q square. Remember, if we substitute cos theta equals to -1, so this will be minus 2PQ. And I will write down R min equals to under root P minus Q whole square, and that is mod of P minus. Okay. So the value of R min is equals to mod of P minus. Now see here, once again we have a particular question like ये mod मैंने क्यों लगाया? So guys see and remember, देखो R क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? R रिप्रेजेंट करता है लेंथ. ओके, और लेंथ कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. लेंथ कैन बी 0 और ग्रेटर देन 0. रिजल्टेंट या तो तुम्हारा 0 पॉसिबल है या उसकी लेंथ 0 से बड़ी पॉसिबल है, बट रिजल्टेंट विच मींस लेंथ, इसकी वैल्यू नेगेटिव पॉसिबल नहीं है. एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन, सपोज P का मैग्नीट्यूड है 10 और Q का मैग्नीट्यूड है 20, तो 10 - 20 आंसर क्या आएगा? -10. But because resultant negative आपका possible नहीं है, that's why we apply a mod sign, so that अगर इसकी वैल्यू नेगेटिव भी आती है तो once you have applied mod sign, इसकी जो फाइनल वैल्यू आएगी that will be positive. Clear guys? Okay, all of you are able to understand now why I have put this mod sign over here? Okay, good, very good. Just copy up to here. Okay guys. See here, just copy up to here. Okay, that's clear done. Where guys is done? Okay, it's right. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay, so I think that was all from today's class. Let's take a question for home assignment. Clear guys? और आज की क्वेश्चन और लास्ट क्लास में जो क्वेश्चन हुए थे, all of them will solve in next class. Okay? Okay, so see here, what is your question? Question is calculate. Okay. Yeah, but it will be a little bit tough. Calculate the resultant of vectors such that P and Q are given as 4 unit and 6 units, and angle between them equals to 5 pi by 6. Okay, just take this question as your home assignment. I think it's useful. Calculate the resultant of vectors such that P and Q are given as 4 units and 6 units, and the angle between them is given as 5 pi by 6. Okay, so see here, let me tell you one important information. This particular question and the questions we have seen in the previous class, उन सारे questions को हम solve करेंगे in next class. Okay guys? So try to do all the problems, because in next class we will verify the solutions of all the problems. Okay? No, I'm not supposed to draw the vectors, are there? If I draw the vectors, then बाकी सारी चीजें clear हो जाएंगी. ये आपको खुद से करना है. Okay, so I hope that was all from today's class. Okay guys, this is final call. Is there any student who wants to ask anything? Just let me know. Final call. इसके बाद next class 10 minutes. That's 10 minutes. Okay, see here guys, after this you will have your chemistry class, and you will have a 10 minutes break also. Okay, so that was all from today's class. See you in the next one.